Okay, this is Nico, and I'm just going to show you some basic tricks that I taught him so far. He's 5 months old. Stay, Nico. Come here. Stop. Sit. Sit. Stay. Drop. Stay there. Stay there. Eat. Good boy. Come here. Come. Here. Here. Stop. Here. Sit. Sit. Stay. Okay, so that was my first video of Nico, and I hope you like it.